great Mahatma of our nation once said, modern education not only shows this. Good evening, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. I would like to quote one of Mahatma Gandhi's sayings. Modern education not only molds the new generation, but also reflects a society's fundamental assumptions about itself and the individuals that compose it. Today, education holds unprecedented value. Its applications are diverse, without which survival is impossible. Education helps to illuminate the spectrum of human values: aesthetic, instrumental, social, and spiritual, to name a few. A student whose portfolio involves these values will emerge with a virtuous, integrated personality, VIP. In the past, the education system consisted of a theory-based enclosed curriculum that involved a serious amount of a student's time in plain raw studying. Students were discouraged from pursuing activities other than what their schools or parents permitted them to do. This enveloped them in a cocoon, keeping them away from developing their individuality. The present systems, such as the IB and the CBSE, focus is more or almost completely on project work. This helps on pragmatic application and approach, which provides new avenues for different students. When my father used to study in college, he had only 3 options: medicine, engineering, or accountancy. But now, there is a plethora of subjects which I can apply for, and I can return at least a miniature to the society. Modern education uses different types of techniques to deepen what is taught in the class. Visual aids, library consultations are also being used. As they say, 80% of what the students learn is only visual. There is more scope for academic as well as all-round development of the student. I would like to conclude my speech by saying that education is incomplete if it does not teach the values of sacrifice, humility, discipline, adherence to truth, and faith in God. True education is one which fosters the feeling of oneness and brings out the blossoming of a human personality. A degree need not guarantee a firm resolve, and a person's financial status need not reflect his or her character. Therefore, I reiterate that modern education imparts these core values, which is essential for a value-based society. Thank you.